The Lord is releasing His promise today from Job 22, verse 23. If you return to the Almighty, you will be blessed again. So remove evil from your house. Maybe you have lost your blessings. It can be physical blessings or spiritual blessings. Maybe you faced many disappointments, failures, and you have gone away from the Lord. Maybe you're in a sinful life which is not pleasing God. It's never too late. Repent, ask for forgiveness, and turn towards the Lord. And the Lord is willing to restore your lost blessings. He will rebuild your life. Trust